Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject General Science. Our today's topic is Ohm's Law. So far, we have discussed uh, electric current and potential difference. We have seen that it is the potential difference between the two ends of a conductor which makes the electric current flow. That means you see current flowing through a conductor. Yeah, she depend upon the potential difference applied across the ends of a conductor. Ohm's law, it gives a relationship, as a relationship between the potential difference and the electric current. Electric current. Ohm's law, according to this law क्या है at constant temperature, the current flowing through a conductor, it is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. So we have seen that it is the potential difference between the ends of a conductor which makes the electric current flow, which makes the flow of electric charges through a conductor. Then you know is you see current flowing through a conductor directly depend upon the potential difference across the ends of a conductor. That means as the potential difference applied across the ends of a conductor is increased, what happens, the current flowing through it also increases. Is potential difference increase karo, these are current increase. Current flowing through a conductor directly depend upon the potential difference applied across its ends. That means as the potential difference V is increased, you increase karo V, what happens, I also increase. I has increase gasa. For example, if I is the electric current flowing through a conductor and V is the potential difference across its ends, then according to Ohm's law, I is directly proportional to V, or V is directly proportional to I, or we can say that V is equal to R into I, where R it is a constant of proportionality. This constant of proportionality is called resistance of the conductor. The value of this resistance constant has to depend upon the nature of the material of the conductor. It depends upon the length, area of cross section or thickness of the conductor, and the temperature of the conductor. Then when you see resistance of the conductor has to depend upon the nature of the material. It depends upon the area of cross section, area length of the conductor, and temperature of the conductor. These factors they affect the resistance of the conductor. The above equation V is equal to IR, it can be also written as V divided by I is equal to R. V divided by I is equal to R. This expression, it is a mathematical expression of Ohm's law. It is a mathematical expression. It is a mathematical expression of Ohm's law. Mathematical expression Ohm's law, you see the ratio of potential difference applied across the ends of a conductor and the current flowing through it, it is constant. That is called resistance of the conductor. Or we have just seen that V divided by I is equal to R. We can also rewrite as I is equal to V divided by R. According to this equation, I is V by R. This gives another statement of the Ohm's law. The current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. The current flowing through is inversely proportional to the potential difference. As the potential difference applied the ends of a conductor increases, what happens, I also increase. The current flowing through it gets also increase. If the potential difference applied across the ends of a conductor is doubled, the current flowing through gets doubled. If the the current flowing through a conductor is inversely proportional to the resistance of a conductor. That means if the resistance of a conductor is increased, what happens, the current flow through decreases. If the current potential if the resistance of a conductor is doubled, what happens, current gets halved. current gets hollow. Tele one we see strength of a conductor. The strength of an electric current in a given conductor it depends on two factors. It depends upon potential difference. Second, it depends on resistance of the conductor. This is Ohm's law.